Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the character 6. Now let's learn how to write it. 点横撇点 Alright, let's learn how to use it. 6 10 6 10 60 60过去6年过去6年过去6年 The past 6 years 他的体重是60千克他的体重是60千克 His weight is 60 kilos. That's all for today. If you want to learn more Chinese characters, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.